Hello! We're here with Grey Goose at the Grey Goose Boulangerie Francois, and we're going to make a very special martini. We are making bespoke martinis, and we've just created this one for you. And what we're going to do is have a kind of in the middle, not very wet martini, not very dry martini. So we're going to do 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is the ratio, so we're going to do 3 parts of Grey Goose La Poire and 1 part of Noli Prat red vermouth, sweet vermouth, sorry. So there we go. We do 35 ml of Grey Goose La Poire for this. Slightly less than 35. We're gonna do about 12 milliliters of Noli Prat sweet vermouth, and after that, we're gonna do something very, very, very special because we're going to use something else as a sweetener, which is a rhubarb syrup that we have over here. And to compensate that sweetness and cut through it at the same time, we're going to use this that we have over here, which is citric acid. Citric acid is obviously present in lemons, but this is a lot more concentrated, so a lot of chefs use this. So you get a lot of the tanginess, which is a tiny bit of this. So I'm going to use less than half, I would say even a quarter, less than a quarter spoon or bar spoon of this. That's enough because it's so concentrated. And then once we have this, we always stir, not shaken. James Bond is wrong. Shaken, not stir. Shaken over dilutes a martini, okay? So we're stirring this martini down. And we're gonna add, again, half a spoon of the rhubarb syrup, and we're done. That's it. There we go. Once over here, a martini is a drink without ice, so it's very important that every single ingredient is cold, because we want to keep the drink chilled as much as possible. So obviously we have the drink, which is really chilled. We're gonna get from the freezer a glass, perfect martini glass. The smaller the better. Smaller surface means smaller exchange of temperature with the rest, the ambience. And if we grab it from here, we're not warming it down. Warming it up, sorry. So there we go. And now, once we have this, we're gonna use a twist as well. Another option that we have when we have a martini is either to have it an olive or to have it with a lemon twist or a grapefruit twist. In this case, because we're using Grey Goose La Poire and Noli Prat, I think it's going to work a lot better with the grapefruit. So this is the garnishing we're going to use. And as you can see here, when you use vermouth, you can feel adventurous and pour it from a distance, because those little bubbles that you see, this is called aeration. What you're doing is putting air through it, and any vermouth drink is going to get a lot more of the herbs from the vermouth. So that's a really good technique when you're serving. And as I just said, a big twist of grapefruit. This is that lovely citrus that you need. And after that, we're gonna discard it. I wish you were here so you could smell it. This is amazing. And then once we do this, boom, we discard it, and that's it. That's ready for you. Welcome to the Grey Goose Boulangerie Francois.